Start by removing the dry eye mask from the box. Next, microwave the mask for 20 seconds. To increase heat, add an additional 5 seconds, but do not exceed 30 seconds. Always touch test before placing over your closed eyes. If the mask feels too hot, wait 1 to 2 minutes before reapplying. Apply for 10 minutes or as prescribed within 30 minutes. An added benefit to the premium dry eye mask is that the mask can be removed from the blue sleeve and washed. Be sure to hand wash it in cold water after use for best results.
You'll want to remove any excess oil or skin from your eyelids by using OCuSOFT Lid Scrub Original Wipes. Simply wrap the wipe around your index finger and clean the eyelid, going in a side-to-side motion. Then flip the wipe and go across your other eyelid using that same side-to-side motion. Afterwards, be sure to rinse both eyelids with room temperature water.